Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about check buttons. So in previous video we have learned about radio buttons. So if you have not watched the video, go to the description section. There you will find the link of the video. So first of all, I would like to discuss about the check button. So here you can see there is one form and there is one language label where there are three check buttons. So check button means where you can select more than one option at a time. So in previous video we have learned about radio button where we can select only one option from many options. Okay, so here you can see there is language label where there are three check box. So here you can select more than one checkbox at a time. So here you can see I am showing once more. So here you can see that you can select more than one checkbox at a time. So check button is used. So it is used when you are required to select many options by the user. So let's get started with coding. So first of all we will create one label. So create one variable and write the component name, that is label, and under parenthesis pass the screen name where you want to display. So the screen name is road, and here we will pass the text. So text will be courses. So I am passing the text, that is courses. Okay, and here we will give text font. So the style of text will be Arial, size will be 15, and text will be bold. Okay, now we will place the label component. So L1 dot place. So I will place it on X 10 and Y is equal to 10. Okay, so we will run the code now. So here you can see one course label has been displayed on the screen. So next we will generate the checkbox buttons. Okay, first of all we will create variable and write the component name, that is check button. Okay, and first argument we will pass the screen name, that is road, and then we will pass the text. So first text will be C and C++, that is the course name. So first option will be C and C++. Okay, and we will place the button X is equal to 120 I have given, and Y is equal to 10. So it will be on one line. Next we will copy this check button and create more options. So here I have created 4 check buttons. We will change the variable name C2 and the text will be Java, and we will change the place arrangement. So here I will give 250 and Y value will be same because we are going to show in one line. Again in third check button we will change the variable name and the text will be HTML and CSS. Okay, and the X value will be 350, and on fourth check button the variable will be C4 and the text will be Python, and the X value will be 450, or we can give 430, as we will give 450. Okay, so now you can see whether the check button has been created or not. So here you can see our 4 check button has been created. First is C and C++, second is Java, third is HTML and CSS, fourth is Python. Okay, so you can arrange this check button as your style. So I would like to give the font of text here. Font is equal to, style will be Arial, size will be 15, and text will be under bold. So I will copy this code from here and paste it on all the check buttons. Okay, so now you can see the changes. Here are 4 check buttons. First is C++, next is Java, third is HTML, and fourth is Python. So HTML and CSS, there was HTML and CSS. So we will change the X value 550. Now we will run the code. So here you can see first is C and C++, Java, HTML and CSS, and Python. So you can select any of the checkbox. Okay, here you can select more than one option at a time. So now how the admin will know that the user have selected which of the checkbox? So for that we have to create the variable and declare their types. So as we have declared on radio button, you have not watched the video, then go and watch the video first. So here we will create one variable course 1 and will declare is as int var, which is integer variable. So next we will declare course 2 and declare it also as int var. Okay, likewise we will create for all the 4 check buttons. On radio button we have created only one because there we have to select only one option from the many options, but here we can have to select many options at a time. Okay, now we have to pass the variable to the check button. So here we will pass variable is equal to course 1, next variable is equal to course 2. So I will copy the code from here and paste on all the check box. Okay, and this will be course 3, next last will be course 4. Okay, now we will run the code again. So here you can see we can check any of the checkbox from the check button. Okay, so likewise from here the admin can take the input that which of the checkbox has been selected by the user or not. So I hope you have understood about the check button. So from next video we will learn more about Tkinter modules. So for today, thank you and bye bye. So always be active and keep learning.